Kathy.
And I'm Annie. And we take freeze-dried to fresh. Today we're going to be doing an actual, it's a pesto noodle.
It's like an Alfredo, but then we add pesto to it. We had made a pea pesto at a previous video, which we'll link to this. But we're going to use our bechamel, which is like a white creamy sauce. We're going to start with that base. It's like an Alfredo sauce. And then we're going to add the pesto to it for our noodles.
I love this sauce. I actually do, I really enjoy it because I use it for many different things. Can you pour that while I whip it? Okay.
From this base, you can do multiple things. You can add cheese to this and broccoli, and it's like a broccoli cheese soup base. You can add mushrooms to this, which we will show you in another video, and it'll be like a cream of mushroom soup. So it is very versatile. You can add garlic and Parmesan cheese and you have an Alfredo sauce. We have made this pea pesto with our peas, so we're just gonna add a little of that to the sauce.
So that's our pesto pasta.
We call them jumping noodles in our house because my kids bounce extra high when they eat these. But remember to give us a thumbs up and like our video.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post a new video.
Give us a try and see what you think.
And remember, you can do this too.